What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a review on the meguiars waterless wash and spray wax, and I've already been, as it falls, I've already been through a bottle of this stuff, and I've also been through a bottle of the Detail Garage waterless car spray. I don't have a bottle, so I can't really talk about that. I do like that Detail Garage stuff because that stuff smells good. This stuff smells good too, but that stuff smells a little, it has a little more stronger scent to it. So I'm gonna pull out the car and show you how, and then show you how to use it. It's pretty simple. Just don't, make sure you use a microfiber towel. Don't use a regular towel or you'll hurt your paint of your car. And I use it a lot because I don't go to the car wash. I don't know if I just said that, but I go to the car wash sometimes, but I don't go that much, so that's why I use waterless wash. So I'm going to pull out the car and then I'll show you how to use it. Okay, we're going to be washing the back louvers because there's a lot of spots on them. So make sure you have a microfiber towel, spray, and then just spray it on there. And then take your microfiber towel, this one's kind of dirty, and then just get off, wash it. And then it'll get all the spots off, and you can do this to your whole car. I'm just cleaning the louvers because the louvers got kind of dirty. And then they're all nice and clean. So if you don't want to go to car wash all the time, get this stuff. I know this is going to be a really short review, but that's basically how you use it. And send me some new rims because these are janky. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna repaint them. I'm gonna do the other side, and then that should be good. See, this is the side without the spots, and then you can't kind of see it because I sprayed. This is this side. It won't show up on camera with the spots, but it'll come out. And this louver kind of broke right there. Okay, Okay guys, that's gonna do it for my review. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And look, it's all nice and shiny again. Yay. Okay, see you guys.